Hello and welcome back to my channel Eat, Live and Love. So today my topic is how to manage time. I'll be giving out some tips regarding how you can manage time. That is time management. It is very important in today's world because we are all running against time in respect to our work, our personal lives, and we all know that time flies and time is money, and if time flies out then it doesn't come back. If you know how to manage time, then you will be able to be super productive throughout the day. And let me tell you that I'm also not very efficient when it comes to managing time, but I'm also learning. But these are the tips and tricks that I am using in order to be more productive. So I thought that I'll be sharing that with you. So without any further ado, let's get started. Time is a variable which is very hard to control and monitor, but if you want to succeed in life and if you want to be super productive and want to do many things in a single day, then you have to know the skill of managing time. And time management is very important both in professional and in personal lives, because almost all of us are working outside as well as at our homes, and in order to make a balance between our professional and our personal front, it's very important that we know how to manage our time. Managing time isn't about how to squeeze in as many tasks as you can in a single day, but rather managing time is all about simplifying how to work and doing things faster and with skills. I have listed some of the ways in which I manage time and I try to manage time, and I find these very helpful and useful. Hope you will also find these very useful. Prioritizing your task is a very important tip and important way in which you can handle time, and the feeling of accomplishment of getting the most important task done will actually make the rest of your day much more easier and relaxed. And so prioritize. Number 2 is have a to-do list. Having a to-do list is a time saver. That is what I do. I make a list of what I have to do and I tick it off once the work is done, and I feel kind of an accomplishment and a satisfaction once the work is done and I tick off from my list. It helps me a lot because I don't have to think and waste my time in thinking that what I have to do next, and that saves a lot of time. When you have a long list in front of you, you may feel a little dizzy, or you may feel that you have so much work to do, but take one task at a time. Don't look at the whole list at one go. Only focus on the task that you're doing right now, one step at a time. The third tip is batch similar tasks together. Now this is very important. When you have similar kind of task that you have to do, then do it together. Don't do it haphazardly. Batch all of it together and do all of the similar tasks at one go. For example, if you have to answer to some mails or you have to make some calls, then do it at one go. That's what I do, and you will feel that a lot of work is done. Number 4 is very important again, which is stop being perfect. Don't overanalyze everything. There is nothing called perfect. You will start doing the same thing over and over again, and you will lose out other important work that you have to do. Nothing will be good enough for you. This doesn't mean that you have to be careless. Do your best, but once you have done your best, don't look back. Move forward. The 5th point is start getting organized. Now this is something which I am doing. I am very disorganized, and the bad habit that I have is that I misplace and waste a lot of time in finding that particular thing, and this is what I have stopped doing, and I'm trying to be more organized. Make sure that you remove an item from a place and then keep it back in the same place. This saves a lot of time, and this is what I do. In that way I don't misplace that item, and my whole day is organized, and I feel that I am much more productive, and I'm getting a lot of time as well in my hand because I don't have to keep looking for a single item throughout the day. So start being more organized. Number 6 is just say no. This is very difficult for me because I don't know how to say no to people, but you have to know how to say no, because you are not able to do everything And if you have to say no to something in order to zero into the most important task that you have in hand, then you have to say no. Be prepared to cut your losses and move on to become more productive and to do more productive tasks that you have in your hand. And saying no is something which is very important. I will try to make a video on this. I'm trying very hard to learn how to say no to things, to people, and this is very important if you want to succeed in life. Number 7 is eliminate distractions. Eliminating distractions and tracking distractions and your disruptions is very important, because especially social media distracts us a lot. For example, when we are doing a particular job, then our cell phone starts ringing and it starts beeping because someone texted us, and we leave that job and start fiddling with our phones, which should be stopped because it takes a lot of time. You are doing both of them in a half-hearted manner, which you shouldn't. And doing tasks half-heartedly is something which is a strict no-no. You have to do it with full concentration, otherwise you are not doing in the right way. So I feel that distractions and disruptions are something which you have to keep track on if you want to be more productive, and especially you have to keep your phones away when you're doing something important. This is what I'm doing because I have tracked my distractions, and I have seen that social media and my mobile phone is keeping me distracted all the time, especially when I'm doing something important for the day. 8 is take some break in between doing the tasks, because it will be very hard to be focused and motivated. If you don't take breaks in between, then you won't be motivated enough to do the rest of the job that you have in front of you. Allow some downtime in between the tasks so that you can enjoy some me time. You can drink a beverage of your choice, or you can have a cup of coffee, or you can go for a short walk, so that you are relaxed and you are supercharged to do the rest of your tasks. These are the ways in which I handle and I try to manage my time. And I'm also learning. I am not efficient and I am not a pro in managing time, but I am trying my best to be more productive and manage time in the best possible ways. And I thought that this is a problem for many of us, and I thought that I should share what I am doing in order to be more productive and managing time. Effective time management is ultimately a result of your commitment to your goals and the right attitude. Use your time wisely, but also make some time for yourself, make some time for relaxations, make some time for the family members and your loved ones. That is also very important. And that's it for today. Hope these tips will be useful for you all, and let me know how you like it. Also, I would like to have some suggestions from you. If you have any topic in mind, then you can tell me and I'll make a video on that. Please like, share and comment on my video if you like my videos, because that will keep me motivated. And stay tuned in my next video. Till then, bye, take care and stay positive. Bye.